All right, so we're back again. We're going to be working on HSI letter C this time for these HSI VOR problems for your instrument written exam. So let's go through this. We've already cleared out all the ships to make this problem as hard as possible. And we do that just to make sure that we're not really cutting any corners, because there are some ways you can, just from maybe knowing the to from heading and the compass heading that the course heading that you're flying, that you can kind of get to the answer through a process of deduction. But we're going to actually solve these problems from start to finish. So our first step is, let's go ahead and define the radial we're on. Looks like the radial is a northward heading here. The arrow is going through 0, 0, 0. So let's define that on the chart. So there's our radial. Next, we want to see what our to from flag is showing. It's showing a 2. They're lined up. So let's get that on the chart. Okay, so with this 2 arrow, we know that we're going to be flying to the VOR with this radial. So that means we're not going to be on this side of the chart. We're going to be on this side. So we can go ahead and block out all of this side. And now we're just trying to determine which quadrant we're in, this southwest one or the southeast one. We know we're not on the line because we can see our plane is not centered on the line. So let's go ahead and synchronize our compass card of our HSI with our chart. To do that, we can take this and spin this around. So north is north, south is south. And if we do that, it looks to me like our plane would be over here in the southeast quadrant, and we're flying, towards the radial. So as we fly westward, this should come in line. And the last little thing we need to do is straighten this back up and get our heading. Our heading looks to be about a 320 heading. So that's going to be south. So that's going to be northwest. So our plane can point this way. So we're looking for one of these little ship looking position markers that's in this quadrant and pointing this direction. So do we have any that match that? Yeah, it looks like 12. So I'm going to say answer 12. Let's see if that's right. Yep, that one's right. Answer 12.